Are you ready for a 70s vibe, a little disco? You want to rock it out just a little bit with some 70s mod nails? Because that's what we're doing today. I am going to start out with Misery from I Love Nail Polish. It is a beautiful hollow polish. It's absolutely stunning. It's from the Wicked collection. We're going to move on to a Annatto Clay and aptly named Watermelon. For the record, this is the fourth time I've tried to record this, and I keep saying stupid stuff, so if it happens again, you're just going to find out how dumb I really am. We're going to go ahead and do this color Misery on the pinky and the thumbnails. It looks a little bit streaky in the first coat, but it comes out beautiful on the second coat. I don't know why it looks like it doesn't have great coverage, but it's beautiful. It is a jelly, so that's probably why, but very pretty. Annatto Clay, on the other hand, if you paint it on the nail, tends to be a little bit streaky. After 2 coats, it does look much better, but it definitely leaves some shadowy kind of streaks behind. It's very hard to get that even if you apply it as a polish. Watermelon, on the other hand, is beautiful, comes out lovely. I believe I did 2 coats just to be on the safe side, but it was a lovely polish. I really enjoyed that one. I'm going in with an old Maniology plate, and so here's the thing. I have some older plates that were under Bundle Monster that are no longer available. You don't have to have the exact same plate as me. If you find something similar, grab it up. Make some 70s nails. It's fun. So I'm going to use circles first, and then there's another design on here, this one that kind of more reminds me of the 70s mod. This is the one I usually see with like green and orange colors, but I thought it was a lot of fun, really cute, so I decided to grab that one for the ring finger. And then last but certainly not least will be a large set of circles to kind of match the others and separate the circles from the squares. I love how this came out. Thought it was so much fun, super cute, and the color combos you could do with this to make it fit a 70s theme are endless. Can we say green, olive green and gold? Anyway, I hope you like this. Let me know what you think and if you might recreate it yourself. I appreciate you watching. Bye bye.